Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show how do I create a Google extension in Google Meet. So now let us start. You will learn how to add extension in Google Chrome web browser, and I will also be showing you how you can manage your Google Chrome extension so you will never forget how to do it. Now let us start. At first you have to click the Google Chrome browse, then you will get the interface of the Google. Then here is the uh, showing apps. Then you'll get the web store. Now just to click the web store in Google Chrome. Then you'll get the search the store or Google Chrome web store interface, and you just to write if you need a Google Meet auto auto admit. Here they might say auto admit. Just to click and enter, press, then you will get the Google Meet auto admit. Just to click here. Then here is the option add to Chrome. Just to click here. Then add Google Chrome auto permit. So it can read and change your data on meet.google.com. Just to add extension, click here. Then Google Meet auto admit has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon. Manage your extension by clicking extension in tools menu. Now you just check, here is the extension icon. Just to click, here is a Google Meet auto admit. This is the pin or unpin option. Just to click here, this is the pin option, and Google Meet auto admit has been added in Google Meet. Now you will need another extension. You just write Google attendance, Google Meet attendance, ATTENDANCE. Just to click here, you will get the Google Meet attendance. Now this Google Meet attendance extension, just to click here. Then this is the icon for add to Chrome. Just to click here, and now this is the add extension. Just click here. Then you'll get the another extension of the Google Meet or Google Chrome. Now just to check here, this is the extension icon, and you will get the Google Meet attendance. Just here is the click. This is the pin option. Just to click here. Okay. Now here is the more action is written here, Google Meet attendance. If you remove this Google Meet attendance, just to click here. If you change the pin or unpin, just to click here, pin and unpin. This is the option for pin and unpin. If you need the another extension, just to write here is the search the store. You can write Google Meet timer. Just to click here, you'll get the different type of extension of the Google Chrome, and here is the Google Meet timer. Just to click here and add to Chrome. Just to click add to Chrome, and here is the another option for add extension. Just to click here. Then the Google Meet timer has been added in the extension icon. Just wait and see. I think Google Meet timer has been added in Google Meet extension or Google Chrome extension. There is a timer has been added in the extension. Now this option, there is the link. So if you need another extension in your Google Meet, just to click the Chrome web store, and then you'll get the different type of extension just to add it in this way. So thank you for watching my video. Just to click like, share, comments, and subscribe my channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.